If anyone has any comments or suggestions for things that make you sneeze, oh, it burns. Oh, it's in my eyes now. Woo! This is a, woo. It's clearing out my sinuses. Ow, it burns though. 1.6 million Scovilles is up my nose and in my eyes right now. Oh. I almost feel like I have to sneeze, but the pain is almost preventing me. If anyone has any suggestions what else could make me sneeze, I'll do a second part 2 video inspired by Jamie and a few other people on left comments for a sneezing video. This is a little bit painful, but I'm having fun.